Hi folks, Chris Voss here from the ChrisVossShow.com, the ChrisVossShow.com. Here we're coming with another great episode of review, and we're reviewing today an app. This thing is pretty darn interesting and beautiful, I must say. This is from a company called Sync.AI. You can search that website to take and find the link to this, or you can go onto your Google Play and search for Calendar.AI. This is a productivity app that does calendar, meetings, and scheduling in a pretty interesting way. It's a new all-in-one smart calendar app that discovers everything about the people and companies you meet. You can save time searching the web and let the Calendar AI assistant do the work for you. You can view meeting attendees, social profiles of them, employment history of them, company details, and more. Schedule meetings fast, add meeting minutes and agenda, and you're always prepared. And it's a great time to take your calendar scheduling to the next level, according to the website. Now, one of the cool things is it brings in some of the different social aspects of the folks, what their background is, so that when you're going to your meetings, you're just not left with like a complete stranger. You're like, who is this person and why am I interested in talking to them and stuff? So the beautiful part about this whole thing is you can use their app to schedule your meetings and get insights from them right built in. It's got smarter calendar meetings where you can discover everything about the companies you meet and the people. It's got a smart scheduler that lets you create appointments and events in seconds. You can add private notes, meeting minutes, and meeting agenda. You can view the weather forecast from your calendar, which is really nice. It shows you like a little snow piece or sun or whatever. You can get insights to people's employment history, social profile, contact details, photos, and more. Social insights from LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. You can save hours searching the web. It brings it all right to you in one place. You discover everything about meeting schedule with Calendly, Doodle, XAI, Acuity Scheduling, and Superhuman. You can view the company details of company intelligence with the latest news, funding rounds, key members, and you can connect with companies on LinkedIn and follow the latest tweets on Twitter. You can rock your sales appointments with up-to-date company data, and you'll look really good because you know everything about what's going on. It has an agenda, schedule calendar, week calendar, 3 days calendar, day calendar, calendar events icon by context of conference meeting, sales meetings, and weather forecast integrated into it. It's a really beautiful app. The UI on it, I got to tell you, is really beautiful, very simple and easy to adapt to, and I think you'll love it. We were super impressed with the app, and it integrates with Google Calendar, syncs with Office 365 Outlook Calendar. It's got conferencing for Zoom meetings, GoToMeeting, WebEx, and Skype for Business, and scheduling-wise, Calendly, Doodle, XAI, Acuity Scheduling, Set More Appointments, Superhuman, etc., etc. I think you'll like it. I was certainly appreciative of it. Go to Sync.ai and tell them Chris Voss saying it, or search for the Google Play Store for Calendar.ai. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next time.